Hey guys, give me just a second. I'm putting in my earring. Okay, here I am. Happy Monday. I'm coming to you from my living room in Southern California, and I made this workflow video for you so you could see what I do on my admin days within my YouTube channel and my hair business. My admin days are typically on Mondays, on Monday. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video, and I'm going to tell you my top YouTube app that I use for optimizing and posting my YouTube content quickly and professionally. And just so you know, I do everything on my phone. I edit, I take photos, I create social media captions, all of that jazz is on my phone. And I also post my YouTube videos from my phone, not my computer. The only time I come over here to my computer is when I'm using that magical app that I'm going to talk about at the end of the video. The only time is when I'm working on my title, description, and tags. So we'll go over that later. All right, let's get into it. I'm a busy hairstylist and YouTuber, and I'm what you would call a solopreneur. That means that I do everything that it takes to run my YouTube channel and my hair business. Now, eventually, when your business grows to a certain point, I'm going to need to outsource certain jobs to the professionals. For example, I have an accountant that does my taxes. I have a lawyer that I can ask questions of at any time. And then I'm currently looking for a photographer and a videographer to have on retainer so that I can elevate my YouTube experience for you guys. Let's see. As a hairstylist, like I said before, I'm behind the chair 4 days a week, which leaves my Monday as my admin day. And here I am at the salon. And when I'm just doing my YouTube channel, I'm going to be using my desk right here. I share it with my husband, and everything as far as like creating my captions, taking photos of product, doing all of my editing on Splice app. That's an amazing app that I use on my phone only for all of my editing for social media and YouTube. I do all of that. I'll show you in a minute over here on my kitchen table. And here's my kitchen table where I do all of my social media posting and caption creating. Caption creating? Yes, caption creating. And then my YouTube desk is right over there. Let's go through my workflow as far as my hair business goes. For hair, I've got daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. On a daily within my hair business, I'm returning emails and I'm accepting appointments from my online booking system. If you want to book a hair appointment with me, no text to book. You cannot text me to make a hair appointment. You've got to do it online. But I make it super simple because I have a short list of services that you can choose from, and my website is right here. As far as weekly goes within my hair business, I follow a social media schedule. I'm posting to Facebook, Instagram Stories, Instagram TV, and Google and Yelp within the week. I do post organically. I don't have an aftermarket app that schedules posts for me. I like to do it organically. I have a system that works for me, and it's quick. All right, as far as Instagram goes, I do follow a pattern. And the reason I follow a pattern, here's my pattern, you guys. The reason I follow a pattern is because I like a beautiful curated feed. I'm an artist selling my artwork, which is my hair. And so I like potential clients and my loyal clients to open up my Instagram page and see a beautiful curated feed. I don't like it to be messy. I don't like it to be junky. Personally, for me, it works, and that's the way I like to do things. So I do follow that pattern. And then as far as monthly within my hair business, that's when I'm going to do updates to my 2 websites that go along with my hair business. I have a retail website where you can shop for hair products, and then I have a hair website that tells you a little bit about me, my work, and that's where you can book online. Okay guys, quick. Here's Bowski. I want to get some film footage of this cute guy. He's a big part of my life. He and I are one person. He's 12 years old, and we adopted him. He's a rescue kitty, and we adopted him in Concord, California, in the Bay Area. Go Bay Area, friends and family. He's a huge part of my creation process. I have him right next to me when I'm filming. Well, actually, he's always right next to me because his kitty perch is right there, like you can see. But sometimes in the quiet of my morning, I'll just be sitting at the kitchen table, having my cup of coffee and creating social media captions. And I love to pull his stool right next to me. So I'm going to show you how I do that right now. He's not too happy. He wants to eat. He wants to stay in my lap. Look. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to pull him close. Go on, Tiny Bowski. Go on over there, baby. Let's show these nice people how you get in your stool and you come closer to me, okay? So I'll get over here and I just move his kitty stool right on over. And let me lower this so you guys can see what's going on here. See that? And his kitty stool will just be right next to me while I'm creating. And this is what goes on at 6 in the morning when I'm editing and posting for YouTube. This is right. Well, I almost said this is Ryder. This is my kitty Bowski, the big Lebowski. So let's get some good kitty footage of me petting him. He's so sweet. There he is. Isn't he so cute? And you can see that cord on the wall. That cord goes to his kitty stool that he's sitting on right now. And what that is it's a little cold here in California in the mornings. And so I bought him a cat heater pad. I'll go ahead and put the link below. As far as filming for my YouTube channel, I'm going to be filming all over the house and at the salon. There's Bowski right behind me taking his cute kitty nap. So let's move forward and go over my YouTube workflow. So that's it, you guys, and that's how you care for your hand-tied extensions. Thanks so much for watching my video, and until the next one, bye! On Monday, I always like to give myself my weekly manicure. It's important to me to offer a polished, professional, beautiful YouTube product for you guys. I like to show up with a nice face of makeup, my hair done, and my nails done. I've got an idea from one of my followers, and the title of this video is called How to Cut Your Friend's Hair. And I will always use a classic old school Sharpie. I just put the title in the corner, and then next I grab my favorite, these are my new favorite retractable Sharpies, and I'm gonna go ahead and first write out in a horizontal fashion so that you know to film in landscape. If I was doing IGTV, I would do a box to illustrate I'm going to film in vertical. But the very, very first thing I do is a YouTube thumbnail sketch. And the reason that I do that is so that being first will cue me in to remind myself to go ahead and take a picture for my thumbnail while I'm filming. When I first started YouTube, I used to film everything, get so excited about filming, pack everything up, put it away, and then I go, oh shoot, I forgot to take a photo for my thumbnail. So now, anytime I'm doing a video, I will go ahead and sketch that out first. So let me go ahead and sketch out just, you know, don't ask me what that is. I think the friend is a mushroom. And she's going to be cutting her friend's hair. So that cues me in. And then I'll go to the next one, and maybe I might do on the next little footage, I'll do a pan shot of the supplies. Maybe a comb, maybe some hairspray. But yeah, I'm an artist and I like to see things visually so I know what's happening. And then I'll go ahead and put all of these little boxes together, and then I actually will draw arrows and this and that. And then that way everything flows and I have a visual representation of what I need to be doing also when I go into editing. I'll actually pull these pictures out and it helps me to edit really smooth and quickly. And the notes are also, during the creation of the video, will be a one-stop spot where I can put all of my ideas. Maybe I hear a sentence from another YouTube video that inspired me and want to add it to that in video. I'll write it down on these notes. So I have everything in one spot and my awesome content is not lost out there to the world. So I do use this for keeping everything organized, not my iPhone. And then once everything is posted and live on YouTube, I'll staple it and then it goes into my awesome YouTube completed folder. And these are all of the YouTube videos I have done from the very, very beginning. And you'll notice that I'm using the back of scratch papers. I'm a huge recycle person and you know, saving the earth and all that jazz. So I like to do my notes on recycled paper. So once I'm done with our workflow admin day video, here's my storyboarding for it. And the bottom is the script. And I do practice the scripts, not every time, but a lot of times. Once this is all done, staple, and it's finished. And that is how I storyboard. All right, finishing up this video for you guys. That's it for my admin day workflow in my YouTube channel and my hair business. I promised you a bonus and here it is. My favorite app that I use when I create my YouTube videos is TubeBuddy. It's a browser extension app or browser extension tool that lives on your desktop. And I use TubeBuddy to craft the perfect title, description, and tags. And it also optimizes my videos for SEO. It does all of that lightning fast. What used to take me about a month to create a video, I can now create a killer video in just one day. And most of that is because of TubeBuddy. It's definitely helped me achieve my YouTube dreams. So if you get a chance, check it out. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. So I'm gonna take a sip of my coffee. I'm a crazy coffee lover. I like a mint 1% latte. That's my very favorite. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. And until the next one, mwah, bye from Southern California. Bye.